Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to stabilize the video by using Google Photo Plus. You don't need to use any app and you don't need to download any software from Play Store. You can do it through the application that is present in your mobile, and it's Google Photo Plus. So let's bring the tutorial how to stabilize the video by using Google Photo Plus. First, you have to open this app Google Photo Plus, and then you can go to library and you have to select one video. Okay, then I'm using this video. Okay, look how much this video is moving, guys. And I'm going to touch here edit, and you have to wait for a while, and you can see this feature. So you have to touch it, stabilizing. So this video is being stabilized. It will take time, so let's wait and let's see how much it becomes stabilized. Okay, the video has now just stabilized, so let's check how it looks like. Yes, comparing before, it works quite nice. Yes, you can see it. And so let's compare together. And before, you can see this video is like this, and now you can see this video as this. You can compare in between them. Before it was a lot of shaking, but now the video is not shaking and it has stabilized well. So you can use this app to stabilize any of the video without using any software. And this was for today, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to give us thumbs up. And I have a target of 20 likes for this video, and please support us to fulfill the target. And thank you for watching this video, and see you soon in next tutorial. Thank you.